Okay, I've set up in the vise here. Let me get that a little bit more level. And again, with a chisel, I want to flatten this while maintaining my edge on the bottom face and on the, or this is the bottom face, here's the top face. So I don't want to mess up those edges. I just want to remove material between those edges. And I like to, in this position, I can see what I'm doing, and I can get some good pressure behind good weight behind the chisel in this downward motion. Try to make sure I'm right out to the very edge with that flat, and that there's no mound in the middle that would hold the leg off from where it needs to be. Oh, I think that looks pretty good. All right. So now the next step is to put a leg in there. Okay, the legs have these shapes and angles, and again, I have a template for cutting these, full-size template, and then I just bandsaw the shapes. Then I've drilled this, and the drilling is at an angle on the drill press, and it's 3/16 diameter. I'm using number 8 1 5/8 inch stainless steel square drive. Somewhere there's a screw around here. Here it is. And so this should just fit in there. If not, I can shave it. No, it's gonna fit, and I want it to protrude a little bit above the top surface, because I'll clean that off with hand planes, and that's about the way that goes in there. I'll just put in one screw, show you how that works. That's it. That's how the legs go in. Then the next step is to fasten some braces.